Alright guys, so I'm at my boy Gary's place and we're just waiting for the tow truck to come. Yo, what's up? What's up?
What's up?
Yeah.
You told the vlog?
I didn't tell them the whole story. We'll talk about it when the car comes.
Content, yo, content's all for the content.
It's all for you guys. All for you guys. Dun, dun, dun. The tow truck is coming, and we see his car coming. Oh, oh. Oh man, poor baby. Man, front bumper is done. Oh shit. Damn. Wow, look at this gash. Oh. The wheel, I'm not even sure there are any bent arms or the suspension, but either way, this wheel is sunken in. Hey, it starts.
Yeah, they said they started it.
Oh, nice. Yeah, the car looks good from this angle though.
Power steering fluid is up.
It looks like it's just the core support got bent mostly.
This car has been pushed in.
Oh yeah.
Some of the frame has... Actually, the frame doesn't look too bad. It's just the back of the car.
Yeah, this whole thing right here needs to be replaced because this got bent. But it's not too bad, it's just up to there and there. But it looks like the motor is still good. From this point on to the back, this side is good. Let's go to the trunk, the rear. The rear looks good. No damage, except...
I got another headlight at home already.
Okay, nice.
I
So...
have another bumper at home too.
Oh, sweet. So the only thing that we need to replace is this rear quarter panel, which they're gonna have to cut out a section and replace. But the biggest issue is also this. We're not too sure like what happened underneath it.
Take a look at it.
Yeah. All right, let's take a look. The only thing that looks kind of off to us is just his arm right here is not connected right now. Here, Gary, you want to take a look at this one? I'm not even sure. Maybe the wheel hit this part and pushed it back. That's why it cracked here, maybe?
Yeah, it looks possible. I'm not really too sure.
Yo, if B is for build, can fix all those cars.
If you can do that, there's no way.
We can do this.
Yeah,
We got this.
exactly. We're the ones that assembled this car.
It'll be a project for sure.
It'll be truly yours now.
It'll be truly half of the name of the channel. The passion. It's your passion to do it.
Yeah.
You know, a normal person. Yeah. You know, why would you keep this?
Exactly. For a normal person, we'll just be like, all right, salvage it. All right, I'll get a
Exactly.
new car. But for someone who's passionate about cars, you know, we want to build it the way we love it.
Yeah, you know, maybe it was just my fault for complaining that the car wasn't personal enough. Now
Now it's gonna be personal, guys.
now it's gonna be real personal if we rebuild it.
Yeah, for sure.
Thank you guys for watching to the end of this episode. The RSX will be going into hibernation mode. We are planning to rebuild the car as cost effectively as possible, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.